Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Laser Maker's Realm. I'm Patrick with Light Source Engraving, and today I have a neat little project just in time for Easter. You'll have plenty of time to make it. And what we have is a 3-layer Easter egg. This would be layer 1. This will be the back. You can customize the back, and then you'll have layer 1. Then you'll have layer 2. And then layer 3. And then we have a handy little base that your egg will set in, and you can display. These should be fun for the kids because you can paint the back layer, then the second layer, paint the third, and you have a nice 3-color Easter egg. Alright, so with all that being said, let's just jump right into LightBurn and get started with our project. Okay, so we're here in LightBurn. We've opened up our project, and you'll see we do have layers 1, 2, and 3 labeled for you. And a message saying disregard LightBurn version message. I'm running in a different version than you are, so you will get an error message. Just disregard it. It will not matter. So I have our 4 layers set up for cut, as you can see from the black. The red will be our engrave. So you can change this text to whatever you wish and put on the back of your egg. And it's a real simple job. You can arrange these, make them a little bit closer, or arrange them to fit whatever piece of plywood you have that you're going to be cutting it out of. Now I set this up for 6mm plywood, which is 1/4 inch. So if you take your base and ungroup it, you'll have this little tab, or this little slot. So after ungroup, you can come over to the slot. It's currently at a height of 4.5 millimeters. That is because that accounts for the burn rate of the laser that I was using. So the amount of material that's burned away from the tab on the bottom of the egg over here, and the amount of material that's burned away from the actual slot. So you might need to adjust that to fit your needs. So if you've cut plenty of material before, you will know your burn rate and know how to adjust that. Otherwise, you might just have to play around with it a little bit. For my CO2 that I'm using today, it's the Neje CO2 that I have. It's a 60 watt. So it's going to run the engrave at 500 speed, 50% power, 0.1 line distance. I'm running it just about 2 millimeters out of focus. And then I'll bring it back in focus and run the cut line at a speed of 10 and power of 90. And that's it. We'll get this job started on the laser. I'll play that in high speed so that we're not spending a lot of time watching that. And then we'll get back to the summary. And then we'll have just a quick video and a nice project for you to get started for Easter and let the kids do some painting. Okay, we have our finished project. I have painted this to the best of my ability. I hate painting, just so you know. So here we go. We have our 3 layers. The back piece is painted red, the middle layer is blue, and the outer layer is green. and the base is yellow. So here's a nice little Easter project for the kids, and hopefully you guys enjoy this and have some fun with it. So if you've made it this far, I appreciate it. Please subscribe to the Laser Maker's Realm. Please subscribe to my channel at Lightsource Engraving. Link is in the description. And I'll put links in the description as well for the super glue that I used to put this together, some of the acrylic paint, source for plywood if you don't have a local source available. And we do have the Laser Maker Realm Patreon. I have my own Patreon. You can check those out in the links below. And the links to the file will also be in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Appreciate it.